tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Antigua and Barbuda. Alright, link and coupon will be in the description, and open the description and click on eSIM link via Fly. Alright, and open this web page and write Antigua and Barbuda. Alright, and select this, click on this and open new page, and setting speed 4G or 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, right? Choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data. Choose a speed plan, light or plus. Alright, I recommend plus, this very speed, very fast speed, and select your days. I select 30 days, 1 eSIM or 5, 1 eSIM, and click on buy it now. And write discount code ROAM tips. Click on apply and order discount ROAM tips $30. This is very good. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write a mail, payment data, billing address, select your country, and click on Pay Now. Open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address QR code, and scan this QR code, install eSIM in your phone, and eSIM is work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.